Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're working on the Jeep again. Remember we put these lights up here, up there. Remember the last video we strung all the wires through? How to hook them up without cutting your vehicle harness. Let me show you what we've done. So there's another video that shows how we put these switches right here in. You can see we've got them there. They're called spotters. Those will be out the front. Blinders will be out the back. And then we got reverse lights. Those will be out the back too. So that's how that's going to work. First thing we got to do is get the glove box out. We've opened the glove box. To get your glove box out, it's easy. Lift this up a little. Pull this strap out. Glove box comes away. That's that easy to take a glove box door off in a Jeep. They really thought that out good. From here, we got our wires we pulled through. We're going to bring them down. Those are the wires that go up top. These are the wires that we made to go to that switch bank right there. That's all these. They're all labeled to what they are. So we'll be able to match those up. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to find fuses we're going to pull, and we're going to add a jump wire to them using this type of block. We already have one for our CB radio. We're going to be putting some other ones across there, so that'll be a good thing. Again, you can't do too many, but you can do them. As you can see, there's a chart right here so you know which one you're getting involved with. Because what you don't want to do is don't mess with your airbag ones. That's a bad idea. So we're going to work on that. What we did was bought these. So these plug in. We'll show you one of those. So there you go. That'll plug in where the existing fuse is. Then you put your existing fuse in that lower set of holes there. And in the upper set of holes, you put your fuse for the lights you're going to hook up. That's how that works. So we'll load a couple of these and then we'll be ready. So here's what we know about those switches in their harness. The red is the feed in. So there's our feed in that we're going to hook in. So all we're going to do is slide this together. We'll twist this good. Slide this in. Hold it together there. Crimp tool. Give it a good crimp. Give it a good tug. So we got to do that on every one of the red wires. We've got to get our unit on there. So let's do it. So from here, all of our white wires need a blue connector to then hook to our other wires. This is our front, we know that. I'm going to look through here and see which one of these is called spotters. Blinders. Spotter. This one should be near. Okay. So here's our spotter. We want to put this in the blue. Give it a crimp. Go to my other video if you want to see how these heat shrink fittings work. They work really nice. You crimp them in like this. You can give them a tug. And then we're going to take and put this white one in here. A little bigger than it wanted to be. We might have to switch to a yellow on this, huh? No, here we go. The nice thing is you can kind of see through these. So I can see if I'm getting it in there. Nope, it's not quite going in there. We may have to switch to a bigger one. Oh, there we go. We're in good now. So once you got that in good, we'll crimp both sides. Again, you can give that a little tug, see if it's good. The ground wire we're just going to strip out some more so we can put it under our screw. So if you If you look close in here on the dashboard, right here, we've got a screw we can loosen. We've put some wires around it already. So we'll put a couple more on there, and then we'll work to another screw. So let's get this one hooked up, and then we'll show you how it works. Step, we need to find a place to plug in our wire. This one. You can look down here and see what they are. You got a front wiper on a 25, instrument cluster on 10, rear wiper. Well, there you go. The rear wiper is this one, and we don't have a rear wiper, so let's plug into the rear wiper. We have a rear wiper, but we'll put the extra fuse in the holder like it's supposed to be. We'll put this in the rear wiper just like that. Kind of sits in front of the airbag one, but that's fine. Like I said, we'll continue to work through these. You can see you got different ones here. Parking lamps, that's probably the next one. Maybe we'll go into the parking lamps with one. Then another one is stop lights. Probably won't mess with that one because we want that to work all the time. Subwoofer, there's nothing in. We don't have that option, but I don't think there's going to be power there. But what we can do now, we're hooked up. So what we can do is put the key in the run position and turn the lights. You can see the lights, this lit up, and look at the lights out there. So here, let me shut off my lights. So there you can see the dashboard and everything. You can see the light come on here. You see this lights, and then look at that. There you go. So there we are. We're all lit up out front. Bright lights. All right, so we got the front ones done. Same routine. We're gonna do the same routine here for the rears. So don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. We'll show you it when we get it all hooked up. Easy as pie. You can do this. Don't forget, subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Front lights are working good. All the rear lights are working good, front and bottom. We also have some dull ones to the back for camping. So we shut some off. We can come back here, and you can see we got the bright ones on the campground. Well, there you go. Illuminated switches. It's really nice. So don't forget, like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Our Jeep Overland project is nearing completion here, so I'm sure we'll find something else to add, so stay tuned. But go back and look at all the videos. Matter of fact, maybe I'll make a montage of the whole thing going together. We did the bumper, we did the jerry cans, we did the spare tire, we did the hood wrap in two-tone. We built the rack ourselves, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.